Hi, I'm Beatrice Boots, an intuitive business coach. I help creative entrepreneurs to balance the feminine and masculine in your business to create a soul-led business from the heart. So this is a testimonial for Tarryn Reeves. I joined Tarryn Reeves' projects, Phoenix Rising. Powerful women who rose from the ashes to claim their place, and that's exactly what I have done through the help of Tarryn. Tarryn has helped me to overcome the fears of becoming visible in an authentic way, and also she has helped me to see how you can use your story to market yourself and to find clients that are in alignment with yourself and that need your help. So after the book was launched and we reached the #1 international bestseller status, I found my first client within 24 hours after that. So it's amazing how powerful it is to use Tarryn Reeves' methods, and she goes through thick and thin to help you with it. So I recommend you go ahead and join the book that really resonates with you, or write your own story with her help. Lots of love from Western Australia.